Now, to have Need for Speed or to start playing the games, you need to first know the requirements that your laptop should be having. So the first thing we shall need to do is we shall need to first go to this site, and this is infinitesolution77.blogspot.com, and from here I've already provided the instructions that you can first follow, and in order to know the requirements that is needed for you to have game on your laptop. So the first thing, we shall click on this page from here. So you just need to follow this instruction. This is the first step that I would encourage you to do. So guys, I want you to know that I once provided the file, and I got a strike on my account, so I'm sorry, I have to follow the YouTube policy so that I don't get another strike. So basically this video is for educational purpose. So you need to first make the purchase for this file. You need to purchase from the right place, which I'll guide you in this video. Then you need to extract it to purchase this from the right source, that I'll show you some of the websites that you can be able to purchase. Now this is the old version, and it's super nice as well, and it's nice, that's what I can say. So we shall just see how it works. It's kindly old kind of, but I love it that it's very simple and it is easier to play. And so I believe if you also love this, you can make the purchase from the right place. So I'm really sorry, as I said, that due to YouTube terms of service, we have to follow this such that we don't get our account terminated. So let me just take you to the site that you can be able to purchase this. So you'll go to this site, which is called Steam. There are other sites, however, I've already showed in the video, which you can check from there. Install this on your laptop, and then you log in with them, and then you can search for the game. For example, you can have any of the game which is available, and you can see their prices. So this means you can purchase them in the right way. And so after the purchase, you'll have it either zipped, and then you can do the extraction the way we have done. And once all that is done, then you will be ready to play your game. And so that is it, guys. Thank you for watching this video, and see you next time in the next video.